Hello friends, welcome to Sajjad ArtWala. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Today we are going to make chalk pastels, soft chalk pastels. For this we required gum arabic solution, pigment. You can choose your color as red, blue, yellow, green, or you can make your own. Crushed chalk, which is used for writing on the blackboards, but it should be finely crushed. And this is the dry clay, which is also crushed. This should be well crushed, and otherwise your pastels will be grainy. So friends, in the first step we are going to remove the grains from the pigment by using the instrument. In the next step, we are going to add the dry ingredients, which is chalk. We will add small amount of chalk. Add small amount of dry clay. Remember, the clay should be finely chopped or crushed. Now we will add small amount of gum arabic solution. Now we will start to mix. In the next step, what we are going to do, just we have to make the shape of the pastel. So take the syringe. It's quite dangerous, but what you have to do is to cut it from the front side where the needle is being. So guys, in order to give shape of the chalk pastels, we will take a syringe and then we will cut it from where the needle starts. Then what we have to do is to put our like this. So guys, after putting the material into this syringe, then what we have to do is to make it flat, then take it out from the syringe. Okay, so this is what I have got. Wait for this chalk pastels to dry, but make sure that they are soft. When they are dry, you can easily draw or write with them. You can take big syringe, make big crayons or pastels, and the colors I used is red and blue and red blue mixture. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you make soft pastels using pigments, dry clay, powder chalk, and and 1 hour. Thank you.